because I haven't been able to get a haircut. So I have new shirts available now on my website, Woyshnis.com. Got a green WM on the sleeve, Woyshnis on front. I can't really show you the back, but there's an L7 emblem on the back, and it's supposed to be replicated off the badge off the front of my car, which is currently under some construction. We got a new spoolie boy up in here now. I upgraded to a Cobb TD05 20G turbo, and then I'm waiting for 1000cc injectors, which is way more than I need, my brother said, but that's what he recommended, so that's what I'm getting. This was stock, and now I bought a cold air intake off my buddy, off his 05 WRX. That's what's swapped in here. There's an 05 WRX motor and a 98 Legacy GT. But yeah, so that's the update on that, and then that's why the new shirts have like an L7 on the back that I can't show you, but if you wanna support the channel or just want a cool shirt, cop one of these, 25 bucks. It'll look so much better with a black roof.
We were late.
No, we weren't.
No. He just put some new numbers on it, the 99s. Breaks up the green. Yup. Stop. Check in here.
Can I ask you something really quick?
Yeah.
Do you know if it'd be okay if we just filmed a car back over there by the helipad? Other way. Yeah. Dude, I wish we had more time.
We have about 15 minutes to shoot here. Make it fast. There's a truck coming. They might be telling us to leave. We'll see.
You guys closing up the gate?
Let's give you my phone number in case you get locked in.
Oh. So we're good here?
For a little bit, yeah.
Cool.
He said he'll be here for a while, and if they lock the gate, just call him and then he'll let us out.
Good guys.
All right.
So we're gonna take the van. I'm gonna sit right now, my denting, and we're gonna make a circle around that.
No, just get this brand. Here you go. I'll hop in?
It's the party bus.
Cheers. Oh yeah. Looks sick every time. Dude, that looks super sick. Okay. So you guys gotta wrap it up and head out.
What are you doing?
Hanging in flowers.
Cute.
Just hop in and like give you a thumbs up, just right straight. I left a little pee spot.
Oh, a pee. Oopsie. Make sure you get her on the pad. What are you doing?
Sorry.
Put her on the pad. But watch out for the piss.
I don't know if I can do this.
Come on. You're close.
I don't know, man. It's pretty tricky.
Come on. Woo.
That's pretty shitty.
Hey, the pee spot looks like balls.
It does. Okay, so we're gonna turn around here. We're gonna go down this road. You're gonna be behind me, and then on the walkie-talkie, I'll tell him when to come out. But he's gonna come out behind you, and then like you guys will just play around a little. All right. You good? Yep. Finally. What speed? Like 35. All right. We don't got much road. I know. Okay, have him go around. Stop moving. You're supposed to beep and then stop beeping. Oh, sorry. Go faster. I'm not a good backup camera, I'm sorry. One more time. Same thing. Yep. Okay, go left lane and have him top out. Top out.
was so fucking sick, dude. All right, let's run it. They go way back and then come ripping up to me. Dust off all my shit. Can I go back over? We just have another car behind us, is all. We're gonna lose them? I don't think we're gonna lose them. Nice!
Alright, we're coming out here to do what?
Flyby. I'm gonna have them come for my dare and go vroom vroom and leave.
Now? Okay.
Okay, now come back, do it the other way.
Okay.
What the? I got a caterpillar.
Keep him. Alright,
Oh, it's itching.
I'll check back in a few. See if he's still there. Dang! Oh, no way, Dave's still alive. What's up, buddy?
I like that. Go on the highway, get a bunch of rollers of them playing around on the freeway. I go to the reservoir. I was shooting out of the van.
It was a lot easier, but it's pretty windy back there.
Yeah, I know.
Follow us.
I haven't ran in years. And then turn your wheel a little bit that way. Right there. Yep, leave it right there. Yeah. I might move that actually. How do you put this in park though? Oh, you push it.